want to learn financial modeling. First, you need to understand the key concepts in finance. And second, you need to understand the relevant features and techniques in Excel. 3, you need to be able to put 1 and 2 together. Now, I remember when I first started learning financial modeling, it felt overwhelming. Where do I even start? I had no background in finance, don't know anything about Excel, and I felt like I needed to learn everything and all at the same time. But the good thing is you don't have to learn everything about finance or Excel to learn financial modeling. You just need to know the right concepts and the right tools to get started. Now that's why Brandon and I have created this course. We are 2 very experienced financial analysts with a collective over 2 decades in finance experience across multiple industries. We've gone through it, we know what is actually useful and needed in the work environment. Now we're going to go over the important concepts with you, and then we're going to show you how to actually do the financial modeling in Excel. You won't be learning a lot of random financial concepts or learning a whole set of Excel features and be expected to put them together on your own. We're only going to go over what you need and show you how to use them just to get started. What you'll be able to do now after taking this course is you're going to be able to speak confidently about key concepts in finance and financial modeling techniques. You're going to be able to use over a dozen of the most useful Excel features and techniques that all analysts need to know. You're going to be able to build 3 different kinds of financial models from scratch. I'm going to show you the foundations and teach you everything through an example with a lemonade stand. Now, why lemonade stand? Well, it's hard enough to learn Excel and finance on their own. We don't want to muddle it up by adding an arbitrary business model. But a lemonade stand business model is simple and easy to understand. But it's still powerful enough that we can teach you all the right concepts. And as you'll see in the course, it can get quite complex and quite sophisticated with the financial modeling, even for a simple business model. So this course is ideal for those of you who want to learn how to get started in financial modeling and if you have 0 experience in finance or Excel. You want to learn the basics without worrying about learning the unnecessary stuff or getting bogged down in details. You want to learn from instructors who come from the industry and who know what needs to be learned. I want to thank you for checking out this course. Feel free to take a look at the description and the rest of the curriculum. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Brandon or myself through Udemy. We hope to see you inside.